Today I'm going to talk about what is the best online business to start in 2019. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright, so I get this question a lot on my Instagram page and on my YouTube comments, and that is, if I were to start from scratch, what business, what online business would I actually start? And the answer is, hands down, affiliate marketing. I believe affiliate marketing is the best online business to start in 2019, especially if you're a beginner who doesn't have any experience making money online. The reason why is, with affiliate marketing, you're not putting any money down, you're not investing any money into advertising right away. You're basically learning how to generate traffic online, and you have the ability to make as much money as you want as long as you know exactly what to do. So I'm not going to make this long video on how affiliate marketing actually works. I do have a couple of videos which you can watch on my YouTube channel that explains in detail what affiliate marketing is all about. But basically is, you're promoting other people's stuff, you're selling other people's stuff, and you're making a commission for doing so. You'll find that YouTubers actually do affiliate marketing all the time because they don't want to rely on the AdSense revenue from the YouTube Partner Program. But you don't need to be a YouTuber to make money with affiliate marketing. You can make money with affiliate marketing with your own blog. You can make money with Facebook pages. You can make money with your Instagram page. So basically, affiliate marketing is very flexible, where you can promote pretty much any type of product that you can imagine, and you can make 50%, 60% commissions, and you're simply sending traffic or recommending products to a specific audience, and you're making money for doing so. So I'll give you an example. Walmart has an affiliate program. Amazon actually has one of the best affiliate programs out there, not because they pay a lot of money in commissions, but mainly because they allow you to monetize pretty much any product that you can imagine. And because Amazon is one of the biggest shopping websites in the world, basically you can monetize some of that traffic that's already buying on Amazon, and you can make money for recommending products from Amazon. The best part about this is that you can sign up for an Amazon affiliate program completely free. You don't have to spend any money whatsoever. If you check the description of this video, you'll find some links to some of my favorite books that talk about business, and they're all pointing to Amazon. Now, the best part about that is that I actually make commissions whether you actually buy the book or you buy something else, because the Amazon affiliate program has a 24-hour cookie. So that means you follow that link, and if you decide not to get the book but you decide to buy something else, I still get that commission. So that's why the Amazon affiliate program, I believe, is one of the best options to make money, basically promoting anything that you can think of. Now, if you want to promote digital products, that means, you know, courses and softwares and things like that, ClickBank is one of your best options. They have one of the biggest marketplaces online where you can find all types of categories and digital products that you can promote, and you can make anywhere between 50 to 60% commissions. And there's a lot of people making a lot of money on ClickBank by simply building niche pages, websites, YouTube channels, Instagram pages, and they're basically just promoting this type of products, and they're building an audience, allowing them to monetize that traffic through ClickBank affiliate products. Now, when I say that you can find an affiliate program for any type of product that you can imagine, I really mean it. In fact, you can go on Google and you can type anything. You can type dating affiliate programs, and you find hundreds of dating websites and affiliate programs so you can promote in the dating niche. So there's millions of affiliate programs out there that you can promote without spending any money whatsoever. The only thing that you need is know exactly how to build an audience, how to generate traffic online. That could be free traffic, that could be paid traffic, and you can build that audience. Once you build that audience, you can promote any affiliate product that you can imagine, and you can start making passive income or passive sales. Over time, if you build an email list, if you build a subscriber base on YouTube, if you build a following on Instagram, the bigger that audience is, the more likely you are to succeed with affiliate marketing. You can also build a blog talking about a specific topic or niche. For example, if you wanted to build a blog about dating tips, you can do that, and you can monetize that traffic that you're getting to your blog with dating affiliate programs, where you can make anywhere between $40 to $50 to $100 per sale. Affiliate marketing has a very low investment or very low entry point, and it has very high potential, meaning that you can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing if you know what you're doing. So I want to give you a head start. I want you to download my free affiliate marketing guide. In the description below, you'll find a link which you can download it for free. It'll show you exactly how I make money with affiliate marketing, how you can start making money with affiliate marketing. And it's going to explain the different types of affiliate marketing which you can use to start making passive income online or building a full-time income online and hopefully just quit your job. So guys, in my opinion, affiliate marketing is the best online business to start in 2019. Anyone can jump into it. It doesn't matter where you live. And the potential to make a lot of money, it's always there, as long as you know exactly how to generate traffic online, how to build an audience, how to scale your business. So if you want more videos about affiliate marketing and how I personally make money with affiliate marketing, my YouTube channel is filled with videos where I talk about how much money I'm making with affiliate marketing in different platforms and how you can do the exact same thing. I teach you step by step how you can jump into affiliate marketing either on Facebook or on YouTube or anywhere else that you want to do affiliate marketing. This is beginner friendly stuff and it's completely free. You can watch all those videos and you can get a better understanding on how you can start making money with affiliate marketing this year to a point where you can turn it into a full-time income in the next 6 months if you want to. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I post videos like this every single week. And leave me a comment below if you have any questions. With that said, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video.